Hello, Curiosity Chronicles. It's great to have you back. The science of aging is fascinating, and that's what we'll discuss in today's video. Have you ever considered why we get older and what causes wrinkles, gray hair, and aches? Let's find out. Getting old is a natural process that happens to everything that lives. At the level of cells, telomere shortening is a major cause of aging. Think of our chromosomes as shoelaces and telomeres as the plastic tips that keep the shoelaces from getting damaged. But every time a cell divides, the telomeres get shorter until they can no longer protect the chromosomes. When cells get too short, they can't divide properly and may die or go through cellular senescence. This causes cells to stop working correctly and the body to age. DNA damage is another cause. Our DNA, which has the instructions for our genes, can get damaged over time by sunlight, pollution, and even our metabolism. This damage adds up, causing cells to stop working correctly and their repair systems to become less effective. Also, like tiny energy factories in our cells, our mitochondria can stop working or become less efficient as we age. This means we make less energy and more harmful substances called free radicals. Inflammation is also a part of getting old. As we get older, our bodies can have chronic low-grade inflammation, leading to diseases linked to getting older. Our genes, environment, and lifestyle can produce epigenetic alterations that impact cell function as we age. So, in simple terms, aging is a complicated process that involves things like telomere shortening, DNA damage, mitochondrial dysfunction, inflammation, and epigenetic changes, among other things. Over time, these things can add up and cause a slow decline in the way our bodies work, such as cellular dysfunction and, eventually, the visible signs of aging. Now that we know how aging works scientifically, you might wonder if you can reverse or slow down the process. Let's look at some ideas that have been put forward. Aging is a natural process, but some things have been shown to slow down or even stop some parts of the aging process. One crucial step is to live a healthy life. A healthy way to age is to eat a balanced diet with lots of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, stay physically active, and get enough sleep. 1. Exercise is particularly beneficial for aging. It improves the health of your heart and lungs, keeps muscle mass, and gives you more energy overall. 2. It's also important to deal with stress. Stress lasting for a long time can speed up aging by causing the body more inflammation and oxidative stress. Mindfulness, meditation, and yoga are all ways to reduce the stress that can help. 3. Skin care. Taking care of our skin and keeping it out of the sun can also make us age more slowly. UV damage can cause the skin to age faster than it should, but using sunscreen, moisturizing regularly, and staying out of the sun too much can help prevent this. 4. Social connections and mental health are essential to aging. Having meaningful relationships, keeping your mind active with things like reading, puzzles, learning new skills, and dealing with stress and mental health problems can help you live a better life as you get older. 5. Anti-aging compounds. Scientists are also looking into the effects of certain chemicals that might slow down aging. For example, the chemical resveratrol found in red wine and grapes has been studied to see if it can turn on cellular pathways that help people live longer. 6. Recent advances in genetics and regenerative medicine have shown that it might be possible to turn back the clock on aging. In conclusion, we can't stop aging completely, but the way we live may help slow down some parts of the process. Keeping a healthy lifestyle, including regular exercise, stress management, skin care, social connections, anti-aging compounds, and emerging technologies in genetic and regenerative medicine, may help slow and promote healthy aging. Remember, it's never too early or late to start taking steps toward healthy aging. I hope you found it interesting to learn about the exciting things that cause us to age and how to slow or reverse it by taking some simple steps. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more engaging science content. Thanks for watching. another day, another info.